go.
Get all, am I?
Yes, you are all in.
Okay, so toes on the slider, ball same side of the body. Okay. From here, I want you to twist your knee almost inwards. It won't look like it's going in, right? But I want you to think about that, and then the ball in the opposite direction. So I'm twisting across the body, and then I unravel. So I untwist back in the opposite direction, ball goes over the stabilizing leg, and then drive, twisting forward, okay? You should feel lots of that in the abs, and then the glutes and stabilizing leg. As I go back, make sure, as you go back, make sure you're just not rounding the back, or the other thing that happens quite a lot is kind of just cave sideways, okay? So you want to make sure you're staying tall and you rotate, back leg nice and straight. Rotate, don't bend as you go.